New World is another player in the small electrical appliances market with brands such as JVC, Telefunken and Nu-Tec. It was founded and is still controlled by the Goldberg family. It has a market cap of 419 million rand, a price to earnings ratio of 18 and a dividend yield of 1.6%. Again, let's have a little education on New World. Chris, perhaps we start with you.
They didn't have the most auspicious of starts. I remember going to a lunch to mark the listing of this company in October the 18th and 19th, 1987 at the Zoo Lake restaurant. And that doesn't exist anymore, but this company does. So there should be a reference in the Dictionary of Persistence, I think. They've been through the mill really for the past 20-odd years. And as I said with AMAPS, it's a highly cyclical stock, subject to the vagaries, I think, of the rand and of the consumer market. So it's been a tough ride for them, but they're still there.
Well, also their share price looks as though it's been through the mill, doesn't it, Paul?
Yeah, although, those are quite well-established brands in the TV space. So JVC and Telefunken and Fujitsu and so on is theirs too. So, often for a listed company, you say it's only got a market cap of 419 million rand. That sounds like, well, that's pathetically small. But actually, in the context of the economy, that's not a bad player. But remember, the rand is what it's really all about. Because the rand can raggedly move, down to 6 and then back to 8.5. And from one year to the next, they sit with stock that's been brought in that they can't sell at the right price, the margins. So it's a tricky game. And as Chris says, there's always the danger that their big customers start sourcing direct.
Hot or not on New World?
No, it's expensive. I mean, at these levels, that kind of PE and that kind of low dividend yield, can't get excited about it.
Sorry, no, I'm also going with the groans. No.